Hey everyone, just a quick video on ball joints. If you're having any kind of front suspension issues, be sure to check your ball joints because if they're worn, they could be causing that problem. This is a new ball joint here on the right. This is the worn out one that I pulled out of the car here on the left. And you can see that, I can't move this ball joint with my hand. And a ball joint in good condition should give you a lot of resistance. This worn out ball joint, it just flops around. I can easily move it around. So it's completely worn out. So you won't be able to align your car correctly if your ball joints are worn out. Likewise, you might be getting things like brake pull that you think are calipers or other bigger issues, and it actually could just be worn out ball joints. So be sure to check your ball joints before going on to any other diagnoses. If you like this video, please click that like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.